Today I'm showing you how to make one of Crumbl's most famous cookies, the Crumbl OREO Mallow cookie sandwich. First, add your butter, sugar, and brown sugar into a bowl and mix until smooth and creamy. Next, add your vanilla and egg and mix until combined. Now it's time to add the baking soda, salt, dark cocoa, Oreo crumbs, and finally the flour. You want to mix until all ingredients are just combined. Next, scoop out about 1 to 2 tablespoons of dough and roll into balls in your hand. Roll the balls in the remaining Oreo crumbs and place the dough balls on a baking sheet. Lightly press down on each dough to slightly form thick discs. Bake at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Allow cookies to cool on the pan for 5 to 10 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Now it's time to make the mallow cream filling. Mix the butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla until smooth and creamy. Mix in the marshmallow fluff and the crushed Oreo by hand. Chill the cream for about 10 minutes to make it easier to scoop. Now scoop 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mallow cream onto one side of a cookie and top with another cookie to sandwich them together. Repeat with remaining cookies. And that's how you make the Crumbl OREO Mallow sandwich that has an amazing marshmallow fluff cream sandwiched between 2 soft Oreo-based cookies. You can find the entire recipe on babygizmo.com.